welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I thought I'd show you what this custom from Fansells turned out like. So this is a 40 by 45 and this was done from a picture of a friend's daughter. Let me see if I can find the picture and I can show you what it looks like. I know I have it in here somewhere, but I know I sent it off to them a bit ago, so I'm scrolling. Okay, found it. So if that will show without too much shade, that is the picture and that is the result. So I'm really happy with the way it's turned out. I do think it's a little bit dark. The image that was sent was quite light, so I do imagine if a darker image was sent it could end up very dark, but you know, both myself and my daughter are impressed, you know, the way the little bunnies have shown up and the way it does show you know, each individual finger and stuff like that. So this is something that we are probably going to frame. We might have to chop it down just a little bit because the frame we've got is 40 by 40, but at least by doing it first we've got the scope of how much to cut on each side to get it framed nice. But yeah, I wanted to show you what it looked like. There was plenty of colours. I can't find where I've put a spares because my craft room is not yet back to normal due to the building works we're having done. So it's just at the moment it's enough that I can film, but it's in no way perfect and set up. So yeah, I can't remember where I've put them, and my daughter isn't in the house to determine whether she did actually give me them and whether I actually got them or not. I've got quite a few diamonds here near me, but they're not the ones from this picture, so unless they're mixed in with something else. But I wanted to show you what it looked like anyway so that you can see for yourself. But yeah, I think it looked pretty, and yeah, we're both very happy with it. But anyway, that's it. Very short one from me. This is in round. They do only do customs in round, but the actual diamond painting size is a true size in this one. I do have an unboxing of it so you can see that if you want to. But thank you so much for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon.